Hey guys, so I wanted to give an update. Got the full ventilation system done. It works a lot better than what I thought it would, to be honest with you. A lot of draw through. I can guarantee it's going to be a lot more airflow pulling through here than if I just had fans in my bedroom or my office where the rigs are at now. Go outside and show you what this looks like. I've got a hooded vent, and these open up when the fan turns on. I'll go ahead and turn it on and show you. Feels like a wind tunnel in here. Go outside, take a look at it. Got the weather hood so it doesn't pull in water. We'll see how it works. I may have to put something here to extend this one piece. But unless the rain was coming straight down, or straight, towards the opening, I don't think the pull this far out from the airflow is going to try to suck the water in. So I think it'll work okay. See, it was sealed with rubberized roof sealant. Went ahead and painted the screws. So I also used, apart from the sealant, everything else, got to put a little bit more here. I think it's sealed up pretty well. But I also used the metal roofing screws that has the rubber under it. That is not really sealed to the wood, but this is sealed up. I really don't think with the ledge here, I don't think I'm going to have a huge problem with water getting in. Obviously there may be a little. I just turned the fan off so we could hear. It's not exactly quiet, but place is an absolute mess, guys, but I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys an update anyway. Got the first rack in, got the first card lined up. So there'll be 3 computers, 8 cards apiece, and 24 cards per rack. Try to get a better angle for you. Sorry I didn't clean up. There you go, got the PDUs mounted. Ended up using just angle strap that I found from the hardware store or Home Depot. Put 2 facing this direction and then 1 facing this direction, and I've got them mounted standing up on another bracket there, and they're really secure. They're not going anywhere. You can see I've got all the connections terminated. So getting close, guys. It's still going to be a couple days, but still waiting for some electrical components for the panel to come in. But just wanted to give you an update. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, share, click the bell. Have a good one.